Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Biling solar fountain. For example, for bird bath, or of course for your outdoor areas, which comes with a lake or a little bit water source or something else. It is a 6.5 watt polar panel kit for outdoor. Solar means you does not need a power supply via wiring. You can use the sunlight to operate this water pump here. With DIY 5 feet tubbing for bird bath, for small ponds in the garden, or for your pool, or where you like. It is possible to attach this where you like outdoor, where the sun will be. You can use it, and where water is, of course. It's eco-friendly and reliable solar panel kit here. This solar powered fountain adopts 100% glass solar panels with stronger light transmittance. The solar panel will not oxidize even if used outdoor for a long time. It can steadily absorb the sun's energy and make the water spray more stable and lasting. And we have a longevity water pump. They investigated more than 300 pump failures and found two causes. The pump ran without water and the pump blade is blocked. That's really cool. A cool feature. Though they upgraded the pump. The pumps are now all dry run protected. That means if no water is there anymore under the pump area, it will stop automatically. This is a good security feature. Really cool. Though they upgraded the pump and the pump are now dry run protected. This means as soon as the water level gets too low, they will automatically shut off the function. And filters have been added to all pumps to ensure that dirty waste does not enter the pumps with the water. And we have two ways of using. The accessories included the sprinkler heads and water pipes. We connect the sprinkler head to a water pump and assemble a solar fountain for use in bird baths and garden ponds. We connect the water pipe to a water pump and assemble it into a solar water pump, perfect for our outdoor water project. You can pump water easily from the pump to another area by using the pipe. Really cool idea. And easy to assemble. It doesn't need batteries or electricity in wired connection. We can assemble it in minutes to add some water project to our yard and garden. The height of the water spraying is related to the strength of the sunlight, of course. On cloudy or rain days, the pump will spray weakly, or maybe it will stop working. But it is not necessary that there comes a direct sunlight to the solar panels. It is enough if it is a cloudy day. Really, a standard daytime is okay, because in my video here, no direct sunlight attached to it. Really cool, and it works. And awesome, cool features. Value wireless water fountain for outdoor use. This outdoor water pump kit comes with a 6.5 watt solar panel, a water pump, 9.5 feet of cord, 5 feet water pipe, and sprinkler heads. The sprinkler heads are really different, so you can choose what you like to have a nice fountain. And then you can attach it easily to the water pump system kit and have this fountain as you like. The solar wafer covered with glass and aluminum shell. We have tempered glass on the outside. Then we have a solar wafer, a TPT backplane. A strong aluminum shell will protect the frame and the body of it, because it's an upgraded solar panel which is covered with glass. Cheap plastic film covered solar panels will age and break after 2 or 6 months or maybe 1 year. This is making it impossible to convert the solar energy and stopping water pumps. These panels here are covered with glass, which can protect the solar wafer well and does not affect the conversion efficiency of the solar energy. This is a really cool feature. And we have a brushless motor with filter, sponge, and water sensor. The water sensor, this is a dry run protector, is on the side of the pump itself. We have a filter sponge included, so it's an upgraded water pump with dry run protection. They investigate more than 300 pump failures and found 2 cases. The pump ran without water and the pump blade is blocked after this. So they upgraded the dry run protection system and infiltrate system of these pumps. The life of the solar water pump has been extended twice. And we have a solar water pump kit. That means the water pump and the solar panel are separated. These fittings included a set of spray heads and 5 feet tubing. We can design our water feature project with a water pipe and separate pump, even outdoor where there are no wires attached. And it's a solar fountain. The solar fountain pump will keep and help keep our bird bath fresh and the birds happy, for example. Attract many birds to our garden. We're providing them with a cold drink for a quick soak. It's great for our yard and garden decoration. The water circulation for oxygen, which makes our yard looks cozy and infinity. It's really easy. We have to attach it as we like because it's only plug and play. And then we are ready and can start it. That means if we get it out and get the pump into water, the water will start working after a couple of seconds. And then this water pump brings us so much joy and a beautiful outdoor decoration. This is the Biling solar fountain for a bird bath, a 6.5 watt solar panel kit for outdoor use, a solar water pump with DIY 5 feet tubing for small ponds, for the garden, for the pools, and of course for the birds. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Zun zun!